Hey everybody, I just wanted to shoot you this quick YouTube video that I created to show you the ArcGIS experience that I've been working on and sort of built out a little bit. This is the link that I sent you, so this is where it will take you. And the thing I wanted to show you is really that I'm working on the stakeholder input tutorial and the stakeholder application. So these two areas, but if you scroll down, you have to go to, right now you have to go to this box, so where it says take hold, and click on that and it'll take you to this application that I built. And this is, I think, one of Carl's maps of ecosystem services. And so the application works like this. If you go over to the left of your screen, you can click on legend, and it'll show you what's available. You can also click on the layer list. And then the last thing, this is the most important, is the smart editor. If you click on that, you can see that you can add either points or polygons. And so this will allow us to start adding polygon, for example. So I think that may be an important area. And then we can fill in these various fields. So we need to work on building this field out, or these fields out, what we want to collect from them. And I'm going to cancel that. We'll do the same thing with a point. So the same thing, maybe there was a point there that someone wanted to add. And the same thing, we want to try to add information, important information here. So who, a name, an organization, and then what is important about this area. And additionally, on the upper right, I added, you can see here, I added a slider so they can slide back and forth. You can only select two of the layers to do this with, so we'll have to sort of decide what two layers we want them to be able to slide on and off. They can also add measure, so they can measure, if they wanted to know, well, how far is one spot to the next, you can tell them that, or area. And then the last is the base map gallery, and they can change the base map, and I thought that would be good, so they could look at, for example, aerial imagery, or if they wanted to look at topo maps or that type of thing. So with that, start thinking about how we can add to this, improve it. I think we need to start with a blank, an empty planning unit map. So Jeremy is going to send me that, and then I need to build out an attribute table, and that's what we will populate, or have people populate when they go to this application and provide some stakeholder input. So hope that helps. Shoot me questions if you have it. Thanks. Bye.